I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying.
Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. I don't know what this is, but I am rooting for you. I am Auntie Tay. If you are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. It's been a couple days probably since I put up a video. Anyways, we have new Coozy Sizes. I'm so excited for this. You guys are gonna know by the end of this year that I'm obsessed with this new thing where it's making koozies, period, for cups. So when I came up with this idea, because if you guys know my story and you know my journey, you guys know that I really wanted to do epoxy, but I just can't anymore because I have a chemical sensitivity and it's gonna stay with me for the rest of my life. If you guys wanna know more about that story, let me know in the comments below. I've been debating trying to update that and keep you guys all in the loop. But anyways, so I came out with the Coozy, which is a non-chemical way to dress up a cup, and you can still bling and use HTV and patterned HTV and patterned vinyl and all the really fun things. So I decided that it is my mission in life to take every single favorite cup on earth and make sure that there's an SVG for you that's the perfect size, so you don't have to resize your Koozies all the time or try to figure it out. It took me a long time to figure out the formula to, and sorry, I'm good at math, but I'm not a mathematician. So anyways, I feel like this is a very long intro for what I'm about to say. We're coming out with new Coozy Sizes all the time. So today I'm gonna debut the 3 ones we're starting with. These are my 3 favorite cups, and I think the most used cups. The Target one, not so much, but it needs to be because it's my favorite cup. So the Target double insulated cup is my favorite cup on the market. It keeps your water cold, it keeps your ice frozen, it is only $8.99 versus like Starbucks that sells theirs for like $20 or $24 depending on what cup you're actually getting, that are not double insulated half the time. And it has a very nice sealed top. Great cup, my favorite cup, obviously. And then the hot Starbucks Coozy cup, the hot Starbucks cup, which is like a cup that everybody has, and they come out with new colors and all the things, so duh, we need a Coozy template for that. And then the reusable Starbucks cup, which is like hands down my favorite. But well, I said that about all of them, but it's my favorite cheap cup to make for gifts and presents, although the Target cup is great for that too. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of like blinged lids and patterned lids and HTV lids, but today I'm just simply showing you guys the fact that in our membership you have all of these SVGs, and new ones will be coming out soon because I love doing these so much. All right. Debut the new Coozy cup sizes. Let's go. All right guys, so we have new Coozy tops. This is my favorite cup that you can get from Target for like $9. It's double insulated and it's absolutely the cup that I drink out of all the time. You guys will see me in lives, in Zooms with it. And then the other cup that we came out with is the Starbucks hot coffee cup. And I'm just using the cardstock patterns for you to see the difference. And then we also have the half size for the Target cup. And again, we also have the perfect size for the reusable Starbucks cup. So this is kind of just like a promo for you guys so that you guys can see that I am coming out with all the cups. So leave it in the comments, your favorite cup, so I can make sure to make a Coozy the perfect size for your favorite cup.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder, and the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone